Hello, I am Vishal Parikh. Welcome to the course on Python for Data Science. So in our today's session, we will explore what is Python and what is data science so that you can get a brief idea about what is Python and where it is used. So let us navigate through this course and let us see what are the different agendas and what are the different prerequisites that are required for learning Python and data science. So let us jump to our prerequisites. So what are the prerequisites that you should know? So the first and the foremost thing you require is a basic knowledge of programming. And the second thing you should know is about mathematics. So in particular, you should know what is numerical and statistical methods, because this play a very important role in learning data science and integrating data science in our real life. Now let us move towards Python. So Python is a programming language which was developed by Guido van Rossum, and it was named after a comedy show which is named as Monty Python Circus. Let us explore Python applications. So here are some of the common applications that have been developed using Python. So here is an example, that is Reddit, Netflix, YouTube, Facebook, Google, Instagram and IBM. These are the common applications which are most recently used and more frequently used that have been developed using Python. Now let us move towards Python libraries. So as Python provides a rich set of libraries, so some of the libraries that are provided by Python are scikit-learn, keras, TensorFlow, pandas, matplotlib, beautiful soup, numpy and scipy. So here some of the libraries can be used for neural networks and machine learning. So particularly scikit-learn is used for machine learning, keras and TensorFlow are used for neural networks. Now this matplotlib is basically used for graphical representation or visualization. Next is beautiful soup. So whenever you want to extract different data from websites or from web or performing scraping, at that particular time we have to use beautiful soup. Now whenever you want to perform any numerical operations, for that Python provides a library, that is numpy. Next, that is scipy. So whenever you want to perform any scientific computation, for that Python also provides an important library, that is scipy. Now let us jump towards applications that can be developed using Python and data science. So the first and foremost is audio applications and video applications. Next is business application. Third, it is CAD applications. The applications that can be developed using data science and data visualization. Next, whenever you want to develop a GUI based application for desktop, at that particular time we can use Python as well as data science. Now whenever you want to develop any embedded applications in which we integrate hardware as well as software, so in particular that we have to use Python. Now about EA Sports and Sony Entertainment. Both of the giant companies are using Python and data science for developing their games. Now whenever you want to create any application that is using machine learning and artificial intelligence, for that backend Python is used as a programming language. Now whenever you want to perform web scraping applications or you want to develop web applications for scraping, for that Python can be used, as we know that it provides different libraries. Now let us jump towards data science. So what is the data science? So data science is interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, algorithms and different knowledge processing from which we can know the insight from the data. What do you mean by insight? That means we need to extract some meaningful information from our data. Now this data science is a combination of data mining, machine learning and big data. Next we should know is what are the companies that are being using data science. In today's world of data, each and every company that are using data, they use data science, and each and every company provides you a very good job opportunities in this particular sectors. Now if we consider some of the giant tech companies that are using data science, so here are some of the giant tech companies. Some of them are Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Google and Facebook. These are the top giant tech companies that are using data science for their computation and performing different applications. Now we will see is why data science and what are the job opportunities after doing data science. So you can get a job of data analytics, you can get a job of data scientist, data engineer, data warehouse architecture, machine learning engineer, business intelligence analyst. These are the some of the most reputed job after knowing what data science is, what are the different aspects of data science, and a knowledge of Python. So in our further video lecture series, we will cover and explore Python and data science. So thank you.